So in the same company which I was working earlier, it's Infanian, and 2019 I left the job because of some health issues and family issues. So I got rejected everywhere. I got rejected. So the only thing was I was not upskilling myself, and I don't know AI.
The tools that you learned through the B10X workshop.
Like N18, Make, and LinkedIn optimization I have learned, and about Excel, Power BI, making PowerPoints, PPTs.
So how has AI made a difference? Has it made a difference to your workflow, to your productivity, to your quality?
So we used to write each and every single of code manually, and if we get any errors, it will be difficult for debugging also. If we miss, we have to check entire the line of code. Now using AI or Copilot, we can easily find out the bug and fix the bug. They want to upskill themselves, B10X is the top priority they should give.